The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 455, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Alger, Delta, Dickinson, Marquette, Menominee, and Schoolcraft, and the following marine locations: Huron Islands to Marquette, Michigan, Marquette to Munising, Michigan, and Lake Superior east of a line from Manitou Island to Marquette, Michigan, and west of a line from Grand Marais, Michigan to the United States and Canadian border beyond 5 nautical miles from shore. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.